All right, so we are here inside the combine. Mel Kiper Jr.
Checking out some of this NFL combine real quick.
As we're taking you through
but
what is really
we're about to get into that drop. I told y'all about coming from 4SureKicks.
Why do we say that?
Got some merchandise. Got a pair of kicks I've been waiting on to check out. So we gonna get into that. Trying to check out the wide receivers and the quarterbacks, you know what I'm saying? That next crop coming in. See who the Raiders or whoever else picking up. Something else we can talk about down below. But we're gonna go ahead and get into that, man. For sure kicks pick up some kicks, some for sure kicks merchandise. Let's get into it, man. Alright, what's going on? Like I said, man, finally got that drop in that I was waiting on from For Sure Kicks. Picked up another pair of kicks from him, and I actually grabbed a little bit of the merch that he has. Now, the merch is not out yet, so, you know, happily I can say I got a little bit of that exclusive going on, you know what I mean, since he hasn't really got it set up to where he's ready to put it out there, you know what I mean, as far as, you know, at a constant rate where you can go ahead and pick it up. But stay tuned for that. As soon as I know or get that word from him when he's ready to actually drop that down, I'm gonna let y'all know too. But I'm gonna just give y'all, you know, a look at some of the prototypes of what he got and what he put out, what he was able to shoot me, you know what I'm saying, on this pickup that I got. So, you know what I'm saying, instead of holding up and going through all the blah blah, we're gonna jump right into it, man. So, you already know the box, you already know how I do. Anything off Nike.com, long as it's in stock in your size, you already know you can pick it up below retail, you know, whether it be early releases, you know, general release, or anything that's already on the site, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have that all that information down below where you can holler at them, how you can get to them, you know what I mean? Like I said, it's been good to me. I've had a couple of people already go through him and pick up a couple of things, so hey, I mean, my question is, why pay full price if you don't have to? You know what I mean? Especially if you can get a good deal on it. You know what I'm saying? It's hard out there right now with the whole resale game and everything else going on to actually find something to where, you know, you can pick it up how you want to pick it up for the money you want to pick it up. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, if there's a deal out there, why not try to get it? You know what I mean? That's my, you know, opinion anyway. But let's get into it real quick. Like I said, I'm gonna let y'all see what I was able to pick up from him. And actually, I was able to pick up a couple of things from him, but I don't want to drag out the video, so more than likely, I'm gonna probably split it up because I'm gonna do one pair of the kicks I got from him, and I'm gonna do the merch, and then I'm gonna drop another one probably in the next video because I don't want to have y'all here all day. Like I said, you know, plus you got the scouting combine on. I'm pretty sure, you know, everybody trying to get to that on this nice Saturday. So, like I said, without further ado, we're gonna get into it. All right. Got it out of the box, you know what I mean? Read through some things. Nobody wants to see all that. And like I told you, here's the receipt that came in there without showing too much. Cover my information, but as you see, everything you're gonna get, you see that right there, Nike.com. So, you know, like I said, man, got that official, you know what I mean, comes in there. And without further ado, let's get into it. If you know the box, you already know what this is. Got it right there. Size 14. You can't read it because it's kind of a glare. But you got size 14, Jordan Why Not 0.2. Retail on it is $125, which I didn't pay. And honestly, the reason why I wanted these and pick these up, one, I haven't seen a lot of people talking about them or even seen a lot of people with them. And if anybody knows me, I always say repeatedly on my channel, I'm the kind of guy, like, I don't want to have everything that everybody else has. I want to be different. I don't want to walk in a place and me and 10 other cats got the same shoes on, things like that. And these, to me, I mean, I know maybe to some people, they may not be that big or not even that big, or maybe just that style, of course, like your retro and your things like that. But me personally, I'm digging these because the concept is different. And if you want to go on just straight style alone, I mean, like they say, man, he got a dog in that fight, man, because these things are really different. And I'm going to get into them. But one thing that really sold me on picking them up, you got that Westbrook paper in there. Just as clean as the photo, man. There you go. Why Not 0.2. I love the material on these things, man. It's like that netted material is really sturdy, really good built. Very well constructed in my opinion. I mean, you have the knots on here that are like hard. And if you look on them, it has like the mini logo is inside of the material for his I guess his logo design. And he has a lot of, what I like about these two, doing the research on them, he has a lot of things built into this shoe that's like, you know, designed especially for him. Like he has his family crest inside the tongue. You know, that's different. You don't see that all the time. And then I like here how he has the inscription of the actual shoe. The Jordan brand, why not 0.2, the family. You got your logo on the back. You probably can't see that because of the glare. But of course you got your Jumpman here too. You can see that. Like I said, the glare is crazy. But now, the one thing that really sold me on this shoe, to let you know it's kind of a different build and a different design, is the size tag. I don't know if you can see that under there because of the glare, but the size tag is actually under the shoe. I just thought that was a dope concept, you know what I mean? Because easily he could have put it inside or anything like that, but he put it under the shoe, as you see, size 14 right there. I just thought that was kind of dope, you know what I mean? Then you got your little gold trim right there. But like I said, with this shoe, you're not going to see this every day. I mean, it's well constructed, so you can probably get a good workout in with this. Probably play some good ball in it, you know what I mean? Because it's a nice mid top. Me, of course, I'm going to use it for what it is, just when I'm out and about, you know what I'm saying? Here's what your under looks like. You got like a deep pocket in here this way. But I mean, I'm gonna be honest, it's a well-built shoe. I have the other wide knots. The other wide knots, they were nice, but just the way the lacing system was, they were a little bit uncomfortable, I'm not gonna lie. These definitely look like they're gonna be a lot more comfortable. Have the signature script on the back. I believe that's for one of his friends that actually passed away out here. If I was reading everything that meant to him that he put on the shoe. Because if you don't know, of course, Russell Westbrook is from California. He went to Lusinger High School. It's out the way by like Hawthorne, Los Angeles, all that. So, and it is in one of the more dangerous parts of the city. Hence, you know, why he had a friend of his get shot and killed out there. But yeah, man, it's a pretty dope shoe. I mean, I like it. I'm gonna stick with it and pull the other one out. So yeah, definitely gonna get some play out of these. And I didn't even know that. I'm glad I put out the other one. You see, the one has his logo and the other one has the Jumpman on it. So I think that's pretty dope. And actually, the tag for his the family thing is only on the one side. So I think that's pretty dope, man. You know what I mean? Definitely worth the buy. And then the price tag to start wasn't really that high at $125, which I didn't pay. And I'm glad I did jump on these and was able to catch them in a 14, because I think, me personally, they're definitely worth it. So definitely proud for this pickup. Shout out to the boy 4SureKicks, you know what I'm saying? I already put in another call to him, get another drop. So, you know, it's not gonna stop, you know what I mean? And then we're gonna move on from this, at least from this pair, you know what I mean? And like I said, he was cool enough to throw in some merchandise for me, you know what I mean? Because we talked, you know, a little bit, you know, he's a busy guy. He's got stuff going on all over the place, but we still have some time to chop it up here and there. But he's just a cool cat, man. He's reasonable. You know, you talk to him, you know what I mean? I haven't had a bad experience. Everything I've done with him was A1. It's flawless, you know what I mean? And like I said, he was cool enough to drop me off some of this merch, you know what I mean? So we gonna definitely get right into that. The first one is a navy t-shirt. And let me tell you, he ain't playing with the design. You check this out. You got the 4, you know what I mean? And kind of like a camouflage, which is kind of funny. I'm wearing my camouflage hat, but then kind of a camouflage silk print. He's got his @4SureKicks with his Instagram, you know what I mean? So, you know, you're putting out dope merchandise and you're marketing at the same time, you know what I'm saying? That's smart, I like that. But, and he's not using thin t-shirts, you know what I mean? So he has different style of t-shirts he uses. Mine, I have a thicker t-shirt right here, which I like, especially weather-wise out here in Cali, you know what I mean? It change in a minute. So, but I like that, man. He ships with quality. That's a good thing. We're gonna get to the next one. Here's another one. Got that merch for the ladies, you know what I mean? Here goes another 4 with your baby blue. You got your 4SureKicks @ right there on the Instagram. And like I said, he got that stuff for the ladies and they fit and everything, you know what I mean? So, you know, make sure wifey get a hold to this one, you know, get to rock that out, you know what I mean? And like I said, if you watch another actual shoe tuber, it's on the top of my head. I was actually just watching one of her videos. I believe is 4SureKicks. I believe young lady, she actually shops with him too, and she has some of his merch too. So like I said, he has that women merchandise. I'm hoping I'm saying her name right. I was literally just watching one of her videos this morning. But he got that work for the ladies too, man. You gotta check it out. Now this one is what I'm definitely gonna get some run with this, man. Got the sweater. Can't beat that. Look at that, man. How the print matches right with the sweater though. It's kind of like a tiger print. And of course, you got his ad down there. So yeah, I'm finna definitely do some work with these, man. I'm finna go out and get some used to these right here, man. Definitely, hey, For SureKicks, man. I know you're gonna be watching. Good looking out. I definitely appreciate it. I'm definitely gonna get at you, man, because we got a lot more things to do. So that's the pickups for right now. You know what I mean? I don't want to drag this video out. But stay tuned for the next one, because the next one is the drop that came with these actual Y knots. So stay tuned for that, because those are pretty dope also, you know what I mean? And hey man, just stay tuned. Let me know what you think down below. Like I said, I'm gonna put his information down there in the description. You want to get something from him, do a little pickup. Hey man, you will not be disappointed. And I'm never gonna put my name behind nothing that I don't believe in. And as you see, seeing is believing. So definitely get at them if you're trying to pick something up. You know what I'm saying? You got your GR release, your early release, anything you need, man. So like I said, that information gonna be down below. Let me know what you think down below. You got any questions? Guess what? Holla at me down below, man. So like, comment, subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? This your boy, Shawn.Stay.Fitted. I got combine business to get to. I'm finna go see what I'm about to rock some of this merch with. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a little windy out here today. And man, stay tuned for the next one, man. You already know it's your boy. I'm out of here, man. Stay fitted.